Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am sitting on my balcony today. It is I don't even remember what day it is, but hold on, it's Monday, Memorial Day. And I decided to come outside today because I was tired of staying in my room. I woke up this morning and it was a better day. I had more energy when I woke up. So I was able to take a shower, strip my bed, change my sheets, wash my hair. I even twisted my hair up so it would look like somebody. I won't be flying all over the place. And I'm sitting on the porch and my breathing is feeling a whole lot better. It's the coughing that's not giving up. I'm still having these coughing fits. No temperature. I have aches and pains still. But other than that, it's bearable. I've been still taking Tylenol. I did have some naproxen, so I took some naproxen. And I have more energy. Like, I got up, did what I needed to do for myself today. I didn't bother anyone. So yeah, I decided to come outside, sit down, enjoy the beautiful area, my balcony that I don't use ever. So beautiful. But I'm just sitting on here and sorry, that's the vent. Just hoping that this whole thing ends quickly. Like, I'm ready to go back to work. Like, I'm weak. I'm not as strong as I used to be, so I know I'm not ready to go back yet. But I did get a call from, or text from telehealth asking if I needed a televisit, if I still had symptoms. So I didn't respond yet. I probably respond in a little bit and let them know, yes, I'm still having cough. I just don't feel like continuously going to the doctor over and over and over, getting test after test after test, and no result positive. But the ER docs, like I said in my previous video, the ER doctors said that they know that I'm positive, that I have the coronavirus. They said that all the tests are not accurate, or well, there's like a false negatives and stuff, and they're like 70% accurate. There's 30% that are going to be missed, which is crazy. I don't understand that, but that's what it is. So we'll just let it be. I had a little bit more of an appetite today as well. I was able to eat twice already. I had 2 egg rolls just a moment ago. I'm drinking tea. I did not have my daily cup of essential water and airborne. I've been drinking that every day. That's probably been really helping me too, because that really is really good. The very berry airborne is so good. And I just cracked one up in my essential water, and it really keeps me hydrated. It makes me feel, gives me all those different vitamins and nutrients in the airborne and in the essential water. So I'm glad about that. I'll probably have one of those before I go to bed tonight. Yeah. But I just wanted to update you guys, let you guys know how I'm doing real quick. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next update.